Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today we are gonna unbox the Fimi X8 Mini Zoom. So it's kind of, now anticipated zoom. And in this video we just do a quick unboxing. For the in-depth video, for the sample shots, those will be this later. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And huge thanks to my friend Fimi for borrowing me this zoom. Without her help, it would be just impossible. So without further ado, let's just get started. So this is the box, the white packaging. So on the front, we can see some highlights like 250-gram class ultralight design, 4K HDR video, and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 31-minute max flight time, 8 kilometers video transmission. 8 kilometers, Jesus. Level 5 window resistance, yeah, I will test that out, here it's near the sea. Type-C fast charging, that's on the front. And now moving to the side. Here are the contents that comes with the box. You get to see an aircraft, remote controller, battery, spare propellers, screwdriver, gimbal cover, 3 cables, instruction, and screws. Okay, that's basically on this side, and we can see some other information as well, like the product size, frequency, and blah blah blah. Manufacturers is by Fimi Robot Technology Company. And now let's just move to this side. Yeah, it has 2 colors. One is this kind of orange, and this is white one. So yeah, the same on this side. So yeah, just the Fimi.com. That's the official site. Nothing more on top. So let's just unbox it. Here it says, please review the quick start guide to prepare for your first flight. Yes, exactly, I agree with that. Always read the manual before you go. Okay, let's just unbox. Actually, Fimi has already unboxed it, so it's not like totally new, but yeah, let's just unbox it. Ooh, on the first layer we get to see a remote controller. I think it should fit all kinds of phone sizes or even tablet. Also we can see 2 stick rocker here. That's the remote controller. Okay, let's just put aside. Then we get to see the drone itself. This is the drone. Really lightweight. Yeah, let's just put aside and check out what are other things. 3 cables, lighting, Type-C, micro USB. Also a screwdriver, another Type-C. Okay, this the extra propellers. Yeah, but we don't see the manual. I guess Fimi just forgot to put in the box. So yeah, anyway, you know that, right? So this the propellers. It adopts this kind of design. It has 2 propellers, separate propellers. I haven't seen this on other drones. These are the extra propellers. So 1 pair more. So these are all from the box. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention it has another battery. So it has 2 types of batteries. One is the standard. With it, it's 258 grams, and with the Pro battery is 242 grams. So below 250 grams, it doesn't require to register, right? So you're good to go with that. So this is the battery. So let's check more information about it. So it gives you like 31 max flight time. That's crazy. That's really good considering how small this kind of battery is. So let's just check out more. So this is the drone. Click here, you get to see the indicator that's on the battery. And if you want to take it out, you can this buckle here, just press and you can easily take it out. So I don't know which one is the standard, which one is the pro. Yeah, since this is the pro version because it looks and feels a little better. I don't know. I will check out later. Rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Yeah, that's the battery difference. So let's just insert and connect this drone. All right. Actually, on the box we can see there is a QR code for you to download the Fimi app. All right, guys, let's just scan and download the app. Designed for Fimi X Mini, the app supports one-tap control HD. Okay, download immediately. Starting download. Okay. Okay, download complete. Let's install. So just select the main channel. Okay, we see. So enter Zoom. So yeah, he has this kind of new user guide. See, I like it. So before you fly, let's read the contents below to require the basics of your aircraft and secure the flight. Start. Yeah, that's the sound. So the tail flashes in orange. Yeah. Okay, it's connected. Yeah, the connection is really fast because it doesn't, use this kind of Wi-Fi for connection. So when it's connected, you can see the light turns to red. So, alright. So ready to go. You see, it's ready to go, but I'm not gonna fly here because I'm in a room and it's not safe to fly. So, yeah. So let's check the settings. So you can see everything here. Let's check cameras. So the default is you can set everything here manually. So when you press here, it will enter this video mode. So it's 4K, 30 FPS, 4K, 25 FPS, 2.7K. And so alright, that's a quick unboxing, connection of the Fimi X drone. So make sure to subscribe as the in-depth review will be out in recent 2 days. Yeah. So I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.